Hello, virtual school. Welcome to the Friday Assembly. Today is September 11th, 2020. Let's play a little game.
Welcome back to another Brain Break, the game where we energize our bodies to ignite our minds. And today we're playing Would You Rather Travel Edition Part 1. In this game, you're going to ask yourself, which city would you rather visit? You're going to have 10 seconds to choose between two options, then 20 seconds to do the matching activity. Are you ready for round one? Here we go. New York City or London, England? If you chose New York City, you have to run in place. And if you chose London, you have to do jumping jacks. On to round two, Singapore or Hong Kong? If you chose Singapore, you have to do elbows to knees. And if you chose Hong Kong, you have to do high knees. Nicely done. All right, how about Paris, France, or Rome, Italy? If you chose Paris, you have to do jumping jacks. And if you chose Rome, you have to do butt kicks. Great work. All right, how about this round? Beijing, China, or Tokyo, Japan? If you chose Beijing, you have to skip in place. If you chose Tokyo, you have to hop on one foot. Nice work. All right, this round, Toronto, Canada, or Amsterdam, Netherlands? If you chose Toronto, you have to do a little Irish jig. And if you chose Amsterdam, you have to do elbow to knees side crunches. Last round, Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, or Cancun, Mexico? If you chose Punta Cana, you have to do squat punches. And if you chose Cancun, you have to do bunny hops. Great work, my friends. Be sure to check back with this channel as we're adding more travel games every week.
Now that we have the blood flowing to your head and everyone's exercised, let's do the announcements. I want to thank you all for your name submissions. Next week, you'll be voting on the school name. Your teachers will share a Google form with you to vote, and all votes need to be submitted by Thursday. I'll announce the name on Friday. Calling all artists in our virtual school. After the announcement of the school name, we're going to need a mascot or a logo. Stay tuned for more information about how to submit your creation. Next, I want to say happy September birthdays to all of our students that are on this list.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
So we're going to end our assembly with a riddle today. What month has 28 days? If you said they all do, you got the answer correct. Have a great day of learning and a fantastic weekend.